I love to use my electric trolling motor and to cast lures, especially crankbaits. You can see this electric trolling motor is 36 volts. It's got a long shaft and it has wireless control, so I have the remote in my hand. I don't find any problem in switching going to my hand when I need to start it, like now, and then dropping it down. I can't imagine fishing without an electric trolling motor. I think I would choose an electric trolling motor over using a fish finder if I had to make a choice. It enables me to control the boat at any speed and to stay right on a weed line like I am here. You see all my X's marking the spots here. I can put it on anchor mode, but the thing that's most important is the power that it has. Right now we've got nice calm conditions, but a lot of times I'll be fishing in up to like 2-foot waves, and having a 72-inch shaft enables me to control the boat even when it's rough, especially if I've got the power of 36 volts. I love fishing and doing stuff in the outdoors, and one thing that I've come to recognize is that when you're outdoors, you need portable power. So I'm talking about batteries. Now, in the old days, batteries weren't very efficient, but today there's so many different types of batteries, and they've become a long way. As you know, we've got electric cars, not just passenger cars, but even sports cars that go literally as fast as gas engines. There's trucks. You can get a pickup truck that's all electric. And the one thing that I really like is the technology that's come out for marine use. Now, you know, I think back about 35 years ago, I used to use a night float like this one. And I used to steelhead fish at night. And you know what that was powered by? It was powered by this little lithium battery. And you know, in all the years that I fished, I don't think I went more than using one battery for the whole season because they lasted so long. Today, there's such good lithium technology batteries that the batteries are much lighter and they last a lot longer and they put out a lot more charge. Let me tell you about the Lynac line of lithium batteries right here. I'm blessed to fish out of a 20-foot multi-species pro sports boat. It's made in Canada. It's fully equipped with power poles, Raymond electronics, and also has an electric trolling motor that's 36 volt and produces 110 pounds of thrust. Now, I have been using it for the last season with a 24 volt battery. I only use the lithium batteries, and the batteries that I used are Lynac in the boat, whether it's for the cranking battery, the battery for my accessories, for my electronics, or my electric trolling motor. This year I've decided to step up a notch and go to a 38.4 volt, 50 ampere hour battery. And that's what I've got right here. Now, the amazing thing about this battery is that it's waterproof. What I really like is that it's half the weight of less acid counterparts. Its solid casing withstands shock and damage, especially when I'm running with my boat over waves or in rough water. It's equipped with oversized BMS end wiring for highest output. It's Bluetooth enabled by a Lynac Intel app for monitoring and battery control. It is 4 times total power, 5 times faster charging, half the cost per kilowatt hours, and 10 times cycle life. It's easy to drop in and replace the existing batteries. It's under 13 inches long, 7 inches wide, and less than 9 inches high. It only weighs 40 pounds. The temperature limits, you can charge it from 0 to 45 degrees Celsius. It discharges from -20 to 55 Celsius, and you can store it from -20 to 55. That covers all of the conditions that we have here in North America. Now let me tell you about the lithium battery charging system. The Elite 36 volt 15 amp sealed outboard LFP battery charger is solid sealed for all weather. It weighs only 2 kilograms. It can operate in temperatures from -35 to 65 Celsius, and you get protection from over voltage, over current, current backflow, and reverse polarity. If you want to step it up a notch and make sure that you've got the best power system in your boat, check out the Lynac Lithium line of batteries. Whether it's for your cranking battery, the battery supply that you need for your electronics, or even your electric trolling motor. Go to their website, check out all the specs. I think you're going to be impressed.